y'all. We back. Me and Larry, Midnight Chaos. It's another day.
I'm chewing on this damn ice, bro. Hot as hell.
I caught him doing something.
It's a brand new day. You know, what we're installing today. Oh yeah, got the 4th brake light, Valenti style. We're gonna get that installed for y'all. But before we get started, go ahead and give us a like and subscribe. Follow us on Instagram, Midnight Chaos LLC.
Alright guys, so we got everything basically almost set up. The car's jacked up, kind of like we had it last time. Got our blanket out, you know, the comfy satin. Bunch of shit in the trunk. Alright, we got the rear light.
Yeah, this is what it's looking like, guys. Let's see if we can...
Pretty lit.
Hopefully get this shit wired up.
Alright, we're gonna like cross our fingers and hope for the prayers of the car guides. You got a lot of stuff in the back of this little trunk.
Yeah.
My car.
Let's pull it on out of here.
Alright.
Okay, now they say you gotta remove this shit here.
Okay, we got shit in here. This area. And I think over there. That area needs to be removed. Now we see the male in his natural habitat. Suburbs, outdoors with a vehicle. He's a tame one. Patience is on his side. There it is. And he did it.
Okay.
Booyah.
Yeah.
Told you that had to come off.
Have to remove this one.
Be careful.
Yep. Okay.
Alright, that wasn't.
Alright, so now that we got all this out the way, we gotta figure out what the hell we about to do. I don't know.
Alright.
Right now. Yeah.
Yeah, we're winging this one.
We're winging it.
Alright. It could be a level like 10 and we don't even know right now.
Now, I know you have to remove this shit. Here, let's go underneath and see what we can get figured out.
Alright.
Yeah, might have to loosen and then push this back a little bit.
I think that was like a 17 or something.
Yeah, that sounds about right.
There you go.
There's more room than what we did have. Alright y'all, so what we're doing is removing these two 10mm bolts up here on the top, trying to get those out. Already removed the reverse light bulbs that was right here, and on the other side you got to remove a couple of clips that are up inside of here, and then there's a plastic pop clip on each side we're going to try to get out. It's kind of hard to get in there because of the muffler, so depending on what exhaust you guys are running, might be a little easier. But for me, I end up just loosening this adjustment point and scooting it back a little bit. So kind of hard to film up in there, but you can see what we're doing. And here's the diffuser we installed in the last episode, which was a completely different day. All right, y'all, so this is the new one. I think we can get the new one up in there. It's a lot slimmer than the OEM one. Oh shit, if you look at them, I mean, that one's way bigger. So hopefully we can get this new one up in there with no problem. All right, y'all, so it's basically in there. We got, it's hard to see, but we got the little pop clips on each side. And right now we're putting the two 10 millimeters up here. And then we're gonna see if we can get it wired up for y'all. Gonna get this disconnected right here. And then there's a little rubber gasket right here. I'll pull this on up out of here. You know what I'm saying? Just like that. And now, I think I'm gonna see if we can disconnect. This shit is just fucking gooped on. Shit. Now, got a D pin. Alright.
Surgical tools. You insert in the hole. Most of us understand, should know how to do that. Insert in the hole.
I guess we just set this to the side. Okay. So what we did is we removed, I don't know if we filmed this, we removed this little gasket. We put the new ones down in there. We got this plugged in to the OEM piece. And then now we got a brown and black wire, and we got a blue and black wire. Now, on the underneath side, we got 3 of the connectors plugged in, and we got 1 down there. I guess we're gonna have to splice it in somehow. So right now, I'm just kind of fucking around. Got these little wire tappers. Alright guys, so this is what we did. We took the brown wire, spliced it in to the red wire. Okay, now what we're gonna do is take this blue wire and strip this on up out of there. Now, grab one of these.
Get it?
No, there it goes.
There it is.
And okay, blue wire spliced into the green, brown into the red. Now
What the fuck is the blue gonna connect to?
It has to splice in down at the bottom. The blue one, because remember, there's not enough connectors for it down there. So what you got to snip off the connector, and then the black one will ground out somewhere down there.
Okay.
So fucking, let's figure out where to hook these grounds.
That's a ground spot right there.
Right here?
Yep.
All right, y'all, so we got the red and blue wire tapped in. So now I'm about to splice this shorter ground wire into the longer one, and then we're gonna ground it right here. Pull back some of this wire.
Make a hole. Putting that wire back.
You guys watched the headlight video. It's the same technique.
Yep, if you need any like wiring tips, check out the headlight video.
Okay, so we poked a hole in that one, twisted this one up, stick it through. Now I'm just gonna twist it around as clean as you can.
He's a bum. He's a bum.
Like a pregnant blunt.
A pregnant blunt. I like pregnant blunts though.
That might look pretty decent.
Oh man, it looks fire.
For it to not be shrink.
For you to be a shitty ass fucking wire guy. You know what I'm saying?
Alright, so now I'm gonna take this. Try to get this motor grounded out.
We the shitty electricians.
Right, if you need some electrical work, holler at 1-800-MIDNIT-KO.
You hear me? We would shock the shit out of you.
Alright y'all, so the extra blue wire that was originally tucked down underneath, there wasn't actually enough room for it to reach anything, so we brought it back up here and we're going to tuck it in right here, and hopefully that gives it some power. So we repeated the same process that y'all saw earlier.
Some old school pics. Woo!
Alright.
Before you fucking butt all this up, you should at least turn this car on and see this shit works.
You're right. Let's do it.
Oh shit. He came on.
Let's see if the brake lights work.
And the reverse too. Reverse works.
Do it?
Yeah.
Alright y'all, so we got everything wired up correctly, it's working, so that's really great news. About to get all these wires up in here. Yeah, so we're just trying to clean up some of these wires right now and zip tie this up. And we'll be good to go.
Look like we never even did anything, mates. And the rear looks better. Yeah, diffuser, rear tail light. Check out the Instagram. Fucks with the Instagram and subscribe.
Donations. Gifts.